this video, we will show you how to change the settings to factory default. So there are two menus. The first one is when you press and hold display and press menu. You see the first is compress at 4. You can change it to any other number, but make sure for the factory setting you leave it at 4. Next one is go home. Refill could also be anything from full out to different ratio of 15, 85 and different ones like 30, 70, but make sure that you are at full out. Head has different option. You have 3/32 piston stainless steel, 3/32 peak, 1/8 inch stainless steel, 1/8 inch peak, 1/4 inch stainless steel, and 1/4 inch peak. Since we are using 2 SM pump, we're gonna leave this at 1/8 inch stainless steel. Remote should be off if you're not controlling the pump from the back panel, and the version of the firmware is 4.00. You press the display again to get to the main menu. For the second menu, you press and hold menu button and press display. You'll see home offset. This should always be 0. The next one is 0 to 5 volt out. If you don't have a damper, it should be on the flow, and make sure you press the up arrow a couple of times in order to read 0 to 5 volt output. Stop stall should be off. Error delay should be 0. Save state off. Save in run off. Stroke 0.250, which is a 2 SM pump, that's why it's the stroke of the piston, and home offset again, and you press the display to get back to the main menu. If you have a damper on your pump, you will see the pressure reading on the right side. In order to make it 0 out, you press and hold menu and then display. Press menu. Keep pressing it until you see pressure 0, hit run, and you hit run stop in order to 0 it out. Press the display again, you'll see the transducer is 0'd out. So when you have a damper on, you have another option of changing the high pressure limit and low pressure limits. In order to do that, you press the menu once, you'll see the high pressure. Since this is a 2 SM pump, the max is at 6000 psi. You can change that with the drop down menu to any desirable pressure that you want. And you can click the menu again to low pressure and change the low pressure as well, and press the display again to get to the main menu. In order to engage the high pressure limit and the low pressure limit, you go to the second menu, which is press and hold menu and press display. This is the menu that you need to change in order to enable the high pressure and low pressure limit. It is on disable right now. You change that to enable it. Once you have the pressure limits enabled, then the high pressure and the low pressure are engaged, and the pump will shut down at those limits. And that's how you change the settings to factory default.